Learning SQL is great, but do you know what's even better? Practicing it on real world datasets. Just like data analysts and developers do in their actual companies. Hey friends, welcome back to Code M. In today's video, I'll show you where to find real datasets for free and how you can start writing SQL query using them. So step by step, let's go. So first of all, just tell me, why should we use real datasets? There are millions of data available out there in the world. Why should we use them? Because you learn how messy real data can be, and after that, by practicing, you get comfortable with data types, nulls, and large volumes. It's great for interview preparations and portfolio building as well. So there are various sites available. Using them, you can download free datasets. One of them is kaggle.com, and you can also download it from the GitHub. And there are two more websites. I'll put them in the description box. You can check it out there. But in this video, we are going to see how you can download the Kaggle dataset and import it in your SQL. I'm using Postgres over here, so I'll import it in the pgadmin, and how to run queries using that dataset. So let's start. Here I have searched kaggle.com. In this you can download our data. So I'll search for the data now. I'm searching it for the sales. I'll get this Amazon sales dataset EDA. You just need to click on that. There are various creators who have shared the data and worked on that data as well. You can check and get the CSV file downloaded in your system, so that you can use the dataset. So this is how your screen will look like. You will have the notebook, input, output, logs, and comments. So we need to go here, input, and you just have to download the file amazon.csv. So I have already downloaded that file, so I'll not download now. But let's see how this will be imported in Postgres. I'll just launch my pgadmin application. So whenever you'll practice on real dataset, you will get to know what's wrong with that data, what is restricting you to import that data into your database, what are the irregularities you're facing, or what are the null values is there in the database, or else you can check the various issues. You like this is the process of learning, because when you get the errors or when you get some obstacles in your process, you will learn from them, right? Because when you solve the error, you will get to know, yeah, this was the solution when I did that. Just like that, you learn things and you improve your skill. So this is how pgadmin looks like, and I'll enter my password now. So yeah, I have created one demo dataset, a database test. In that I have my table name Amazon. So first of all, guys, attention here. uh, I have downloaded that CSV file, which was zip file I have extracted them, and also when I have to import that CSV file into the Amazon table. I had created the column names which was there in the Excel file, that CSV file. So remember that you have to create the columns as well. So now I'll import that data. Since we have downloaded the CSV files, I have downloaded the sales data, and now it's time to import it in the table which I have created. So this is the database. For testing purpose I have created the test database. In that I have table named Amazon. You just have to import the CSV file. You just have to right click on that and then import or export data. So this is where you can select your file. I have selected the file, and in format should be CSV, encoding should be UTF-8, and then go to the options tab and enable the header option, because I have headers in my CSV file, like I have column names in my CSV file. And then check if null is blank or not, and then click OK. So it successfully got imported in the table named Amazon. So before doing anything on that data, I just have to tell you something, that whenever you are importing the data in your database or table, you just need to add those column which is present in your CSV file. I have added those column in my Amazon table, and then only you can practice it. Okay, so now let's just see the data. Yeah, so this is what I was mentioning as headers: the discounted price, actual price. This is what we call headers. Now we'll run some queries on this data. So to run some queries, first we'll count products by category. Okay, so we have category, select category, count as asterisk, as we'll use alias over here, total products from Amazon, and then group by category, order by total products. No, we don't have, we have some different. We have column named user ID. No, instead of user ID, we'll get this. We'll get the product ID. Product ID, and in descending order. So now we'll run this query. Group by class. What happened? Oh yeah, category. Okay, so we have executed our category. and this is how it will look. So if I want only 5, let's see what happens. This is what I have got, top 5 amongst the data. Now the next is average rating. No, instead of average rating, you guys tell me what you will fire the queries. Like, what experiment do you want to uh, run on this CSV file or dataset? So do comment on this video whatever problems you guys have faced while importing the data, while running the query, while building the portfolio of yours. So I'll feel free to comment on that. I'll be watching and try to solve the problems together. Yeah, okay. So first of all, just to let you know that I'll put the SQL lectures playlist in the description box. You can go there and you can see the videos also to learn the SQL basics. I have already created one playlist over there. You can go to the channel page also to search that playlist. And don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much and stay tuned for the most amazing videos.